Act up. Behave badly or not work properly. My phone is acting up again. Catch on. Become popular. That dance move is catching on. Keep on. Continue doing something. Keep on working hard. Bring back. Return or reintroduce. That song brings back my childhood memories. Put together. Assemble. We put together a model airplane. Add on. Include something extra. The price adds on the delivery fee. Ask out. Invite someone on a date. He asked her out to dinner. Be off. Leave or depart. I'm off to work now. Be over. Finished. The movie is over now. Blow up. Explode. The balloon blew up suddenly. Bring in. Introduce or earn. The company brings in new policies every year. Bump into. Meet by chance. I bumped into my old teacher at the mall. Call in. Request help or advice. They called in a doctor for the patient. Call off. Cancel. The meeting was called off due to rain. Calm down. Relax after being angry. Please calm down and explain what happened. Carry on. Continue. She carried on studying despite the noise. Chip in. Contribute money or effort. Everyone chipped in to buy a gift. Clear out. Remove everything. We need to clear out the garage. Come along. Go somewhere with someone. Would you like to come along with us? Come apart. Break into pieces. The toy came apart easily. Come across. Find by chance. I came across an old photo yesterday. Come down with. Become sick. I think I'm coming down with a cold. Come up with. Think of an idea. She came up with a smart plan. Cut off. Stop supply or connection. The electricity was cut off last night. Die out. Become extinct. Dinosaurs died out millions of years ago. Figure out. Understand or solve. Can you figure out this problem? Get ahead. Succeed. She worked hard to get ahead in life. Get rid of. Remove or throw away. I need to get rid of old clothes. Get by. Manage to survive. It's hard to get by on a small salary. Go after. Chase or pursue. She went after his lost dog. Go ahead. Proceed. Go ahead, I'm listening. Go along with. Agree or support. I'll go along with your plan. Go over. Review or discuss. Let's go over the details again. Grow up. Become an adult. I grew up in a small village. Hand out. Distribute. The teacher handed out the test papers. Hold on. Wait. Hold on, I'll be right there. Iron out. Resolve problems. They met to iron out their differences. Kick off. Begin. The concert kicks off at 7 p.m. Leave out. Omit or exclude. Don't leave out any important details. Look around. Explore. We looked around the museum. Look back. Think about the past. Don't look back, move forward. Look up to. Admire. I look up to my parents. Set up. Arrange or start. They set up a new company last month. Point out. Mention or highlight. He pointed out the mistake in my essay. Pick out. Choose. She picked out a nice dress.